Hi guys, this is Ra. Hi guys, this is me. Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, this is Shopim Selfin from BSED Math and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's into this vlog, in this video we're talking about trigonometry, the right triangle, specifically the SOHCAHTOA. Yes, SOHCAHTOA. You know what is SOHCAHTOA? Yan yung palit ka dito sa tindahan. Yung palitan ako SOHCAHTOA. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go. But first, let's discuss our topic, which is the right triangle. Now, what is right triangle? Right triangle is a triangle with a right angle, which one of the angle is equal to 90 degrees. There are a different sides of a right triangle. Yes, there are three sides of a right triangle. First is the hypotenuse. When we say hypotenuse of a right triangle, it's always the side of the opposite right angle. It is the longest side in a right angle. And then there are two, and the other two sides is the opposite side and the adjacent side. Opposite side is across from a given angle, and adjacent is the non-hypotenuse side that next to a given angle. And the next one is trigonometric ratio. First is sine is equals to opposite over hypotenuse, that is SOH, and then the second one is cosine equals to adjacent over hypotenuse, which is CA. And then the last one is a tangent equals to opposite over adjacent, that is TOA. So that is the SOHCAHTOA. And also there is an inverse of that ratio. And then the inverse of SOHCAHTOA is the cosecant, which is hypotenuse over opposite the inverse of SOH, which is and then secant equals hypotenuse over adjacent, the inverse of cosine ka, then cotangent adjacent over opposite, which is the inverse of tangent. SOHCAHTOA is helpful mnemonic. SOHCAHTOA is helpful mnemonic for the definition of the trigonometric function, which is the sine, cosine, and tangent. And now let's go to the example. This is the example. Find the sixth trigonometric ratio for the given angle. Yes, as you can see, that is our given angle, and then we all know that and this side is the opposite. The longest side is the hypotenuse, and the adjacent is the bottom. First, we need to find the sine. So we all know that sine is SOH, which is sine equals the sine theta is equals to opposite over the hypotenuse, which is, as you can see, that opposite is in this side, so it is the 4n over 5, and then the cosine, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse. So the cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so it is 3 over 5, and then the tangent is the opposite over adjacent, so it is equal to 4 over 3, and then the inverse, which is the cosecant, the hypotenuse over opposite is 5, 4, yes, it is just an inverse of a sine, and then the inverse of cosine is a secant, and hypotenuse over adjacent, so that will be 5 over 3, and the last one is the cotangent, the inverse of tangent is adjacent over opposite, it will be 4 over 3. And now the last one, which is the real life application or the worded problem. So now this is our worded problem. A 6-meter long ladder leans against a building. If the ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground, how far up the wall does the ladder reach? And how far from the wall is the base of the ladder? Round your answer in 2 decimal places as needed. Now, so as what I have said, that in solving worded problem, we have 3 process. First is we need to find the given. Next is what is us. Yes, we need to know to define the we need to identify what is us in the problem, and the last one is we need to make a solution. So first, what is given? We all know the length of the ladder, which is 6 meters. We all know the angle made by the ladder, which is 60 degrees. And now let's go with this. Ano ba? What is the question in that worded problem? So what we need to find is the first is how far the ladder reached the wall, and the last one is how far is the base of the ladder. Yeah. And now let's go to the solution. Yep. And so we all know that number 1 is you need to use the sign. The sign. Yeah. Sine data is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Sine, no, we all know that 60 degrees. So sine 60 degrees is equal to x over 6. X is the opposite and the 6 is the hypotenuse. 6 meters given here. Now is we need to cross multiply it. So therefore the ladder reached the wall at approximately 5.20 meters. Now in the second question, now we all know that cosine will be we will use the cosine, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse. Now, so therefore, the length of the base of the ladder from the building is 3 meters. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. So, bye-bye.